Hello there, two-stroke turbo fans. Welcome back to the channel. Stella's going to give us a yawn there. They're proving yawn. She just did. Turned away. That's my shop dog, Stella. My name is Mark, and we're in the shop today, late on a Saturday, after a very, very busy, beautiful spring day. And if you look at my Berkeley, between pets on my dog and the nose piece on my Berkeley, I had a friend take a mold off of his and send it to me. And I'm so happy. It actually fits pretty good. I have to reconstruct this piece of hood channel that's missing. I've got a little extra piece here, but this is the mold off of his, and I just have to attach it, not with blue tape. And then I've got to get my underbite, whatever you call it. I've got 3 inches approximately that my punt has been extended here. I've got to recess that back so that I have a grill opening. And another improvement you may notice is this is my controller for the electric unit. I need this big aluminum block to face the front so it gets direct cooling air. I'm planning on using this car, and this is what keeps the whole contraption cool. There's a big thick aluminum plate there, and that's going to be directly in the air so that we get maximum cooling. I may need to put some fins on that or duct it somehow. I don't know, but I moved that, so I made some brackets for that. That was up here, and I'm going to move the battery down here. I think that's going to be better, just for weight distribution. I don't have any other place to put the battery. I mean, I suppose I could tuck it down in there, but I think I'm going to put it right there, which is not great because that's where the driver sits. So this side of the car is going to be weighted more, but I need the battery down low, so it's going to be there. That's the plan. So I got some tools. I got some know-how. I got a great donation. Thank you so much, John. And we're going to keep working on this thing. We've got to make it a real car. Headlight covers are next, and tail lights, and get rid of the underbite. And like always, we need to pet the dog. Oh, come here, Stell. Come here. Let me pet you. Oh, that's a good doggy. Everybody on YouTube wants to pet you too. It's springtime. You gonna go find a rabbit? Yeah. Keep working on this car. Eventually it's gonna be a real car. We're getting there. Slow but sure.